I would like to take this opportunity na i-honor sila. Mama, Papa, sa langit ka na. Dala-dala ko yung legacy mo pa. Oh my God.
Are you in a relationship right now?
Yes, hi, my name is Jay Dalugdog and I will be representing the fashion capital of the Philippines, Parañaque City. And I was born at Cebu actually, and lumaki po ako sa Parañaque. Doon na po ako nag-aral at nagkatulong sa buhay. And right now I am an active seafarer and on vacation. And on my vacation, sumasideline ako ng modeling. Actually, under contract po ako ng Upstar Management. So nagkakaroon po ako ng commercial modeling.
What are the greatest achievement you have in life to up to date?
Being a seafarer, syempre po, kasi unang-una, yung field na to, ito yung nag-ahon talaga sa kahirapan ng pamilya namin. Kasi, actually hindi ko naman talaga siya first choice eh. Architecture talaga yung gusto kong gawin. And mahilig ko talaga ako mag-drawing and mag-planning ng bahay. Dahil sa kahirapan, alam natin na 5-year course yun, and hindi namin afford. And my father was very persuasive talaga na i-take ko yung ganong field. And I think I took the right decision naman kasi unang-una naging stepping stone ko to start my own business and also to have a time like this na makasali sa competition.
Do you think the parents are the best advisors in life?
Of course. Kasi alam naman natin na kapag ang advice is nanggaling sa experience, it's priceless and napakalaking words yun na papasok, hindi lamang sa utak mo, hindi sa puso mo. Magkakaroon ka din ng wisdom.
Is there any advice from your parents na hindi mo sinunod?
Actually, wala po eh. Naging masunurin po talaga ako sa parents ko. And I would like to take this opportunity na i-honor sila. Mama, Papa, sa langit ka na. Dala-dala ko yung legacy mo pa. Oh my God.
Are you in a relationship right now?
Yes po, I'm in a relationship right now. It's very private relationship. Kasi ayaw niya na ng medyo maingay. So, sabi niya, wag ko na lang muna daw siya introduce.
Okay. You respect that?
Very kasi siya eh, introvert. And medyo tumataas yung anxiety niya kapag maraming tao.
What is the greatest sacrifice you had when you are in a relationship? What are the things you're willing to sacrifice?
Time po. Kasi sa totoo lang, napaka-importante sa akin ng time. Lalo na when I had my near-death accident. Doon ko na-realize na I haven't done much in life. And after that incident, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na I will take my time na, alam mo yun, dapat talaga hindi ko siya i-take for granted. Napaka-importante ng time sa akin. And right now na I'm in relationship, I saw to it na ibibigay ko yung time ko sa kanya kahit na napaka-precious na. Ang dami kong gustong gawin sa totoo lang. Ang dami kong gustong ma-achieve. Dahil naging turning point ng buhay ko yun eh. Nung nangyari na yun. And ngayon, uhaw na uhaw ko ngayon sa achievement.
As a seafarer, you have mentioned a while ago, how difficult it is to be in a long-distance relationship?
Napakahirap po talaga. And sabi na nila, kailangan ng trust. And alam naman natin, mahirap i-build yung trust. Lalo na, sinasabi nila, diba, may word na si manloloko. But right now, I'm very proud na maging isang seafarer kasi alam naman natin na sa panahon ngayon, kailangan bachelor's degree ka to become a seafarer. And alam naman natin na kapag once na educated ka, also well-mannered ka na rin. And yun yung lagi kong sinasabi sa girlfriend ko na pagkatiwalaan mo lang ako kasi trustworthy naman ako eh.
So what are your preparations leading to this festivity?
I'm sorry?
What are your preparations on the competition?
A lot. A lot. First, in my body, in my physique, I know na hindi pa ako ganun ka-fit.
Hindi pa pala. Ano ka lang?
Well, marami pa akong kailangan i-workout, pero I'm very confident naman po na ma-achieve ko yung body ko for this. And pangalawa also yung outfits. And I'm really proud din po to say na affiliated po ako with Miss Angela Calosa. And alam ko na marami siyang connections to help me for my OOTDs.
So, among the candidates, halata naman na isang ka sa pinakamakinis at pinakamaganda yung skin. So, my question is, do you have any secrets to share about your skincare routine? Kasi
Beauty
glowing
regimen.
ka, and I can see na isa yung sa nagbibigay confidence sa'yo.
Water. Maniwala po talaga kayo sa magic ng water. Sobrang importante ng water. And also meron din akong ginagamit na product. Hindi ko alam kung allowed ba na magbanggit ng...
Oo naman.
Okay.
It's fine.
Well, ang ginagamit ko po is yung Clinique kasi gumamit na po ako ng
Ito
ibang
yung mamahal yung skincare nito eh.
Gumamit na po ako ng ibang skincare products and hindi po talaga siya yun sa akin. Yun lang po talaga yung Clinique na gumagana sa akin. Itong dark spot na to, ang bilis niya nawala. Ang bilis niya nag-dry.
Yung skin mo, na-notice mo.
Ay, thank you po, thank you.
Diba yung iba tapal foundation sa'yo, parang kahit full-full.
Parang wala nga siyang
Opo. Sabi nga po ng makeup artist ko na ikaw lang yung mabilis kong minake-upan ngayon.
Kahit lagyan mo lang siya ng pulbo, pwede mo lang siyang
Since you have a pretty face on stage kanina na stand out ka doon, like,
Thank you po.
given the opportunity na makapasok sa showbiz industry, sino yung gusto mong maka-work with or maka-love to?
Sa totoo lang talaga ang biggest crush ko talaga si Liza Soberano. Kaso nasa Hollywood na siya eh. Pero siya talaga, kasi unang-una hindi lang siya maganda. Sobrang passionate niya dun sa work niya. And nakikita ko talaga siya. Pinanood ko siya ng live habang umaate. Pinapanood ko nung nag-shooting sila.
Nag-artista ka pala dati?
No, spectator lang. Nakita ko siya kung paano magtrabaho. Napaka-professional niya. Kahit na ang katrabaho niya is boyfriend niya.
Okay, lastly, you can now promote your social media account and pasalamatan yung mga followers and fans.
Yes po, please follow me on my social media accounts. Facebook, Instagram, and Thread. Thread. Just type Jade Explorer, one word. And also, please watch our prelims and finals that will be held at FPJ Arena sa San Jose, Batangas.
Last na lang, magpa-cute ka 3 best poses or the 3 cutest poses that you can have sa photo session.
Ito. Nung childhood ako.
1, 2, 3, click! 1, 2, 3, click! 1, 2, 3, click!
Thank you!
Thank you, Jay.